Cadillac Celestiq. A car worth over €310,000, you'd expect everything about it to be flawless, right? Well, if the 12-volt battery dies in the Cadillac Celestiq, you might have to act like a thief just to get it running again. And even then, the so-called solution is anything but user-friendly. A quick history, from Escala to Celestiq. Back in 2016, Cadillac unveiled the Escala concept, a car meant to rival Bentley and Rolls-Royce. But when GM decided to go all in on electric vehicles, that concept evolved into the Celestiq. It was supposed to debut in March 2020, but delays pushed the reveal to July 2022. The first deliveries didn't happen until 2023. This thing is hand-built to order, and just finalizing your custom specs can take months. Pricing and production. Starting price, $340,000, around €312,000. Length, over 18 feet, 5.5 meters. Planned production, up to 250 cars per year. Actual deliveries so far, roughly 26. The trunk adventure. If the 12-volt battery dies and the doors won't open electronically, your only way in is through the trunk. Option 1, remove the starter module, fish out an emergency key, pop the trunk, climb through the cabin, and manually pull the hood release. Sounds ridiculous? That's elite luxury for you. The civilized workaround. The team at Cadillac found a slightly better method. Remove the decorative floor panel in the trunk. Take out the storage organizer. Find a thumb screw, unscrew it, and remove the trim. Now you've got access to the battery's backup terminals. Hook up jumper cables there, and you can start the car normally, no gymnastics required. Is it worth the hassle? Most Celestiq owners will probably just call Cadillac's 24/7 concierge service. But if you're stuck waiting for a tow truck, you might start wondering if siphoning diesel into an old-school generator would have been faster. Fun fact, back in the day, some classic Cadillacs had an 80-liter fuel tank in just a 1-liter reserve compartment. Now, the Celestiq doesn't even have an engine.